Hello friends, today I am going to show you my freehand paintings on sarees, dresses, bed sheets and wall paintings. Those who are interested in freehand painting can join my online classes. These are chrysanthemums on 100% cotton cloth. The cloth is 3x4 size. These type of paintings can be framed. This is Krishna painting with peacock on a black 100% cotton cloth. This can also be made a wall hanging. The most important rule in fabric painting is that after painting the cloth should be soft and free as before. Mix medium and use the fabric colors before painting on any fabric cloth, so that the colors become permanent and they don't fade even after washing. This is fine cotton king size bed sheet painted with chrysanthemums. Painting a bed sheet is a very heavy work. To paint a bed sheet, you need a very big frame. If interested, you can order for designer fabric works. This is a very old silk top. Though after many washes, the color is intact, as I have used medium. You can learn to paint this rose and other flowers in my other videos in my channel. I have shown how to paint flowers on good quality sheet. After practicing, you can paint on cloth. These are 3 different varieties of roses for borders and wall hangings. These are roses with face on a saree pallu. This is the down border part of the saree. This is another design on saree pallu. Design you can paint for sarees, dresses, bed sheets and wall painting. These roses are painted on silk cloth and this can be framed. These will look beautiful on dresses too. To learn freehand painting, keep watching my channel and do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.